Whether you are a new technical writer or an experienced one, you have to keep learning if you want to make progress in your career. In this video, I want to share some of my course recommendations that will help you do just that. If you are absolutely new to technical writing, I recommend starting with the Google Technical Writing courses. These are free courses that Google designed for their engineers, which is why the courses assume that the students already have the technical skills and they focus only on the writing part of tech writing. But even then, the courses are a really good introduction to tech writing. I reviewed the courses on this channel last year. Check out that video for more information. Once you get a sense of what technical writing is, and then you want to practice technical writing, you might want to check out my technical writing portfolio workshop. It's a practical, project-based, self-paced workshop, and we have a New Year discount going on until the end of January. Check out the link in the description box below. If you're interested in specializing in UX writing, check out the Skillshare class, Mastering Microcopy. Or if you want to specialize in API documentation, check out Tom Johnson's Learn API Doc course. If you follow this channel, you know that I highly recommend that technical writers learn GitHub. GitHub is an excellent version control and project management tool. It shows recruiters that you can handle technological products, and it also helps you contribute to open source projects. If you want to learn GitHub, check out the Udemy course, The Git Learning Journey. The course is available in English and Hindi. And finally, if you want to learn how to code, I highly recommend the Zero to Mastery Academy. They have a wide selection of courses, and they also keep updating their courses so you can always keep up with the new tech. I find their learning approach to be very engaging, very practical, and very efficient. You can find links to all the courses in the description box below. Thanks for watching.